Have you ever wondered about the beauty and importance of heirloom plants? These botanical treasures are varieties that have been lovingly preserved, passed down from generation to generation. Often cultivated organically, they are beloved for their genetic diversity, offering a wide range of colors, flavors, and resilience not found in modern commercial varieties. Each heirloom variety carries with it a unique story, a lineage steeped in tradition and time. Heirloom plants are not just plants, they are a testament to our ancestors' agricultural knowledge and skills. So, why should we care about these age-old varieties of plants? Well, for starters, heirloom plants offer a fantastic range of unique flavors that you just can't find in modern, commercially grown varieties. Take tomatoes, for example. The range of tastes in heirloom varieties is simply mind-blowing. Additionally, heirloom plants often offer nutritional benefits, packed with vitamins and minerals that can be lost in mass-produced crops. They're also champions when it comes to adapting to local climates, making them a sustainable choice for your garden. But perhaps the most significant benefit lies in their role in preserving genetic diversity. This is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems and ensuring the survival of our planet. These plants offer so much more than just their aesthetic appeal, they are nature's gift to us. Preserving heirloom plants is about more than just maintaining diversity. It's about preserving our heritage. These plants are time capsules of flavor, color, and resilience, each with a unique story to tell. They are the legacy of countless generations of gardeners and farmers. By cultivating these plants and sharing their seeds, we keep our agricultural heritage alive, vibrant, and relevant. We are not just gardeners, we are stewards of history. Every seed saved is a link to the past and a promise for the future. And so, next time you're planting your garden, why not consider adding some heirloom varieties? These plants not only add beauty but also preserve biodiversity. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all things green and growing. Happy gardening!